The OnePlus 13S price leaked. It could launch at a price that might just shake up the entire premium mid-range segment. Yes, you heard that right. This new flagship-level smartphone from OnePlus is rumored to arrive with a surprisingly competitive price tag. With top-tier specs, next-gen AI features, and a sleek design, all eyes are now on June 5, 2025, when the device will officially be unveiled through a virtual launch event. But the real buzz right now? It's all about the leaked pricing. Popular tipster Yogesh Brar claims on X that the OnePlus 13S could be priced at around $600 or 55,000 rupees. But there's a strong possibility it might land even lower, closer to 50,000 rupees or $600. If that happens, it could easily become one of the most value-packed smartphones in its category. Powering the OnePlus 13S is the newly introduced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, setting it up for lightning-fast performance and enhanced efficiency. The device is essentially a rebranded version of the OnePlus 13T and will be available in India exclusively via Amazon. One of the standout additions is the all-new Plus key, a customizable button that replaces the traditional alert slider. Inspired by Apple's Action button, this feature allows users to access AI-powered tools and shortcuts instantly, turning everyday tasks into seamless experiences. The phone also introduces a smart AI feature called AI Plus Mind. This tool helps users organize and save on-screen content quickly, giving a glimpse into how AI will play a central role in enhancing daily smartphone use. Whether you're multitasking or trying to capture something important, this feature will be there to help. By the way, we also have iPhone 16e in the same price range that offers Apple Intelligence and the latest hardware from Apple, like a 18 Bionic chip and Apple's first in-house manufactured C15G modem chipset. So which one will you choose at this price point? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, design-wise, the OnePlus 13S keeps things compact with a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display offering a crisp 1.5K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Don't let the compact size fool you, though. This phone is expected to pack a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. That means more power for longer hours and less time waiting at the charging socket. Out of the box, the OnePlus 13S will run OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15, bringing a fresh and fast user interface. Users will also get premium features like an in-display fingerprint scanner, support for Wi-Fi 7, and even an IR blaster for controlling other devices around the house. So if the final price does fall around 50,000 rupees or $600, this phone could easily become one of the most attractive options in its range. With powerful specs, a strong focus on AI, and a stylish design, the OnePlus 13S is shaping up to be a real game changer. What are your thoughts about OnePlus 13S? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.